What do you got that parked way down there for?
I don't want to get gravel on the tires.
Yeah, I mean, ain't you making me walk a long ways? Can't hear you over that darn exhaust! Wow, cup holder. I never had one of those. What are we doing here?
Car show.
We're here at Roanoke downtown. What are we here for?
Star City Madness car show.
Yeah. And yeah, he has got Colette out for the first outing. We kind of made it here in one piece, or two pieces. Well, it looked really good, but apparently I weighed too much. My side drug, and yeah, we lost the muffler. Absolutely beautiful barnyard find. Apparently parked back in the 70s. Hadn't been touched too much since. Trying to rest up from Automate. So just hanging out, which coincidentally my dad had a 60 Chevy Impala. His was a convertible. There's a coupe right beside of us. Yeah, what you been up to? What all have you done to this car?
Before we rebuilt the motor, installed a true dual side pipe exhaust on it. Halfway the muffler fell off on the way here.
Yeah, meant for one lightweight passenger.
Yep.
Yeah.
Or two lightweight passengers.
Oh, well, yeah. I'm still not sure my side was scraping more than yours, but he may be right. He says I scraped more than he did on the way here.
I also redid most of the electronic wiring in it. Got most of the bulbs working again. Just got two more. I got two burnt bulbs I could replace.
Wow, where'd you learn such skills?
You could say my dad, but then maybe part of it's also college.
Yeah, probably a combination of both of them probably help you out. You need all of it. You gotta love honesty. 0 to 60 eventually, but very pretty looking bug. Now times have definitely changed. My dad had one of these, and if you didn't know it, I'm the youngest of 5. And so yeah, 4 of us would cram in the back seat of this, and I rode on my stepmom's lap while my dad ran 100 miles an hour down a country road.